Garlic is one of nature's most powerful medicines. But did you know that the way you store, eat, or combine it could actually harm you? Today, I'm revealing 6 garlic mistakes that can put your health at risk, and what to do instead. Give that thumbs up a touch-up, sub up for smarter health hacks, and ring that dinger so you don't miss the safe swaps. For centuries, garlic has been praised for boosting immunity, supporting heart health, and fighting inflammation. But research shows up to 99% of people are making at least one of these dangerous mistakes, from food poisoning risks to interactions with medications. Used wrong, garlic can thin your blood too much, burn your digestive tract, or cancel out your prescriptions. Used right, it can save your life. Storing chopped garlic in oil at room temperature creates the perfect breeding ground for botulism bacteria. Odorless, tasteless, but potentially fatal. Studies show toxins can multiply in just 48 hours. Fix: always refrigerate garlic oil and use within 1 week, or make a fresh batch each time. Garlic naturally lowers blood sugar, but when combined with metformin or insulin, it can drop levels dangerously low. One study found 31% of diabetics had hypoglycemia when mixing garlic with their meds. Fix: eat garlic with meals, start small, 1 clove daily. Monitor your glucose and tell your doctor. Those strong sulfur compounds are medicinal, but they also burn. If you have ulcers, gastritis, or IBD, raw garlic can irritate and even perforate tissue. Fix: pair garlic with soothing foods like yogurt or milk, or cook it gently. Cooking reduces harsh compounds by up to 60% while keeping most benefits. Garlic is a natural blood thinner. Eating it before surgery can cause uncontrolled bleeding, especially if combined with aspirin, fish oil, or vitamin E. Fix: stop all garlic, including supplements, at least 10 days before surgery or dental work. Always tell your surgeon. Trendy detox hacks where people eat entire bulbs of raw garlic are dangerous. Over 15-30 raw cloves daily can cause chemical burns in your throat, and even destroy red blood cells through oxidative stress. Fix: limit yourself to 1-2 cloves daily, spread through meals. More is not better. Garlic plus warfarin, clopidogrel, or apixaban can lead to deadly internal bleeding. Even small amounts can tip the balance. Fix: cooking with garlic in food is usually safe, but always be consistent. And always inform your doctor if you're on blood thinners. Remember, garlic isn't the enemy. These mistakes are. Used wisely, garlic remains one of the most powerful natural medicines. Safe garlic protocol recipe: 1 large garlic clove, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, pinch of sea salt, whole grain bread. Method: crush garlic and let it rest for 10 minutes. This boosts the medicinal compound allicin by nearly 20x. Mix with olive oil plus salt. Spread on bread and warm gently, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. This method preserves most benefits while reducing irritation, and pairing with healthy fat improves absorption by 45%. By avoiding the 6 mistakes and following this safe protocol, you keep garlic's immune-boosting, heart-protecting powers, without the risks. Presented by pH Balance Blood Alkaline. Give that thumbs up a touch-up. Subscribe for smarter nutrition hacks. Share to show you care, and ring that dinger. Ring-a-ding-ding. Which garlic mistake have you made before? And which safe tip will you try first?